So at the beginning I was thinking to do my speech about relativity, but Mr. Meyer told me that that was maybe a little bit complicated, so finally I will do about travel in space. So since the beginning of the age, human all the time look in the sky and was wondering what are all these little lights. But now we know that all these little lights are stars like our sun, and there is billion of that, and there is even more other planets. So we know that we are maybe not alone in the universe, and even if we are alone, there is a lot of things to discover. So actually we already begin to travel in space, like to go in the moon, or actually Mars, but that was only a robot. And we have some little starship who are not really cool for the moment, but we can go in space. So we have a lot of movies about travel in space, like Star Wars, Star Trek, and in all these movies, people just go in space and travel thousands and thousands of miles in some seconds. Sadly, the reality is not the same. Most of the closer other planets are like thousands of years at the speed light, and we can't reach the speed light. So it's not really useful for us. I mean, we can't live 10,000 of years. So, but hopefully there is a hope. Einstein, who study the relativity. So to explain quickly, for example, the box 1 is bigger than the box 2 is bigger than the box 1, and the box 1 is bigger than the can, but the can is smaller than both of them. So this is relativity. This is how you see the things in your point of view. So with that, Einstein discovered a cool effect of his theory was the slow time. The time could get slower. So faster you are, and slower the time is for you. So basically that means closer you get of the speed of the light, and slower the time will be for you. And that could be like really, really slow. Like for a human who will live 100 years, we can maybe just pass 1 year for you. So that could be a solution to travel in space, because if we can go really faster, the time will be slower for us. So even we have to travel 1,000 years, we will just get older of 2 or 3 years. But so the problem with that will be that obviously if you want to come back in the Earth, everyone will be dead. But yeah, that's the problem. So a cool paradox about it is the twin paradox. So the first twin go into space with a starship, so he go faster than the other twin, so he will get older slower. But for the twin who is in the starship, it's the other twin who is in the Earth who get away from him. So it should be the twin in the Earth who get not older. So I just think that was a cool paradox. So that was just a quick equation to basically just mean closer you are of the speed of the light, and the bottom will be closer of 0, so that will make the number at the top higher. I think everyone see that. So another things on what Einstein work was the general relativity, because what I explained before was the special relativity, and general relativity is actually really complex, and even me, I have a lot of difficulty to understand that. So, but basically that just means that there is still a lot of things we don't understand. So one day we will maybe be able to travel in space, but not for now. And one cool effect of general relativity is the black hole, who make the light who want to go. If you have the light, that will go straight, but if we put the light in close of a black hole, the light will just change its direction, because there is a distortion in space and time continuum. I don't know if that makes a lot of sense for you, but basically this is like a lot of mass in one place will make a distortion in the reality. So that's pretty cool. So if we can maybe more understand that, and we will maybe be able with distortion in space continuum to just get a place to another, like teleportation. So that's it for my speech.